Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Husnanur Pujianto. Number register student 210301217. My tutor Mr. Agus Trioni Nawa. In here I will explain to description Mudharaba. 1. Definition of Mudharaba. Mudharaba means we action as an entrepreneur. Mudharib that manage the collected fund based on an investment mandate with a set of predefined ethical guidelines and participants as capital provider. Robert Mal. In return, we will share to profit with the participant on the investment return based on pre-agreed ratio. 2. Types of Mudharaba. There are two types of Mudharaba: restrictive and unrestrictive. 1. Restrictive Mudharaba means that the investor has specific investment details in the Mudharaba contract and has restricted the working partner within the scope of such specification. Do care and precaution must be taken by the working partner to honor the restriction imposed by the investor. 2. Unrestricted Mudharaba mean that the investor has granted the working partner the leave to undertake any lawful investment. The working partner has the leave to invest in any suitable investment that is reasonably expected to yield profit. It is a responsibility of the working partner to avoid unlawful and high-risk investment, and the working partner is liable for any loss from such investment. 3. Rules of Mudharaba. 1. Mudharaba capital. Ideally, the Mudharaba capital should be in the form of cash because if the capital is in the form of commodities and assets, there will be possible of uncertainty and dispute in their fall. 2. Work for the Mudharaba venture. The financial capital provided is not allowed to participate in Mudharaba business if he puts the commodity that he has a right to participate in the Mudharaba business and involved in buying and selling activities. Then the Mudharaba contract becomes void. The manager has to perform its duties within the agreed time and community in contract. However, the capital provider has a right to offer the Mudharaba business to make sure the manager fulfills his duties honestly and efficiently. 3. Profit and loss sharing in Mudharaba. It is necessary in Mudharaba that both parties agree in profit sharing. Until at the time the contract is concluded. The distribution of the profit must be on the basis of the percentage of profit. It is not allowed to exceed the profit on the basis of a lump sum or percentage of capital. The capital provider only bears a loss if it happens. Because the manager doesn't invest anything. So when the Mudharaba business occurs a loss, the profit is asset to offset the loss at first instant. 4. Terms of Mudharaba. 1. The person who has the contract is the owner of the capital and the executor entrepreneur. 2. The project or business being carried out. 3. Agreeable profit. 5. Example of Mudharaba. In a Mudharaba contract, the entrepreneur cannot current investor capital or profit since all parties share in the risk. For example, if the agreement states the profit sharing ratio is 50 between the investor and the entrepreneur, each party will receive a equal amount of generated profit and the end. Thanks for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.